Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And right again, I'm back here with another video that is related to RX 135 4-speed and RX 135 5-speed carburetor. So I'll be explaining you a few differences over here. Even though they look same exteriorly, but there are a lot of differences in both the carburetor. To make the process quick and fast, I have already opened the carburetor. To begin with the process, first we will look onto the carburetor externally. So right now what I am holding over on my left hand is a carburetor from RX 135 4-speed, 4 gear wali 4-speed. So the carburetor which is a 4-speed, in that you will find written over here 4TL01. As I've already said while I had explained the carburetor differences between the 100 and the 135. So 4TL01 is the carburetor for a 4-speed. And while you look over here, this is a carburetor of RX 135 5-speed, and for a 135 5-speed carburetor you will find over here a punching of 4TL420. So let me TL420. What you see over here is 4TL4 in one line and 20 is on another line. So 4TL420 is the carburetor for RX 135 5-speed. So this was how to recognize it, and now I will talk about the differences in choke. The choke of RX 135 and 5-speed, the slot as well as the choke plunger, both are different and both have a different structure. This on my hand is a choke plunger of RX 135 5-speed. It is having a O-ring in the center, whereas the choke plunger, this one, is of RX 135 4-speed. This is not having a O-ring in the center. The body of the choke plunger is different. This one what you see over here is a choke plunger of RX 135. I mean the housing of RX 135 5-speed, and this one is of a RX 135 4-speed. So they are diametrically different. There is a difference in the diameter, and there is also a difference in the structure. So these are the differences in choke. Now coming to the venturi part. This one is the carburetor of RX 135 5-speed, and this one is having a venturi which is oval in shape. It is not complete round. It is slightly oblong in shape. You will find it is oval shape, and whereas in RX 135 4-speed it is completely in round shape. So there is a difference in venturi, and this difference is made because of the difference in ports of the cylinder. So to make a perfect combination in the ports of the cylinder and the intake system, the venturi of RX 135 5-speed is designed differently. This is in a slightly oval manner, you can see over here. So this is slightly oval, and if you look into RX 135, it is completely round. So here is the difference in the shape of the venturi. So that is all. Apart from that, inside the body there is no differences in RX 135 5-speed and 4-speed. Everything, float, ball, the pin, alright, everything is same. Now we'll come to the internal components, keeping this aside. So here are the internal components that I have removed. This one is from RX 135 5-speed, and this one is from RX 135 4-speed. So first and foremost, the slide and the slide pin. We will take into account the slide and the slide pin. Slides for both the bike are same. There is no differences. This is looking different in color, but that happens sometimes because of the cleaning process, or many times it happens because Mikaba and Mikuni have different color components. So this looks different, but actually technically it is same for both the bike. Now coming to the needle. Needle is completely different for both the motorcycles. The one that I am holding right now, this is a needle for RX 135 5-speed, and if you look at it, it is having wavy structure over here. This needle has a little wavy structure, alright. You won't find it even like the RX 100 and 135 carburetor. It is having a wavy structure, and that is why it is having a different model number. So the model number for the needle of RX 135 5-speed is 5ZF6, and it is also having a difference which is over here. You can look at it. It is having 3 slots over there, alright. There are only 3 slots, whereas in RX 135 4-speed there is 5 slots available. So here is the needle of a 4-speed. In this you can find, as I have explained earlier, there are 4 slots, and the needle is completely even in structure, and it comes from top till bottom in even shape. Alright, and it has a model number of 4J26. So model number is 4J26 for RX 135 4-speed needle, and the model number is SZF6. SZF6 is for 5-speed. So here is the difference in the needle of RX 135 4-speed and 5-speed. Also there is a difference in the design as well as in the length. The length of RX 135 and 4-speed needle is also different. 5-speed needle is slightly longer than the 4-speed needle. When we look into few other components like the jets and the air screw, we will also find differences. When we look into the main jet of RX 100 and 135 were different, and even the main jet of RX 135 4-speed and 5-speed is different. The main jet of RX 135 4-speed of 165 number, whereas the main jet of RX 135 5-speed is of 135 number. So this is of 135 number. Alright, physically they look same, they can be interchanged and fitted on each other. Keeping them aside, if you look into the pilot jets, the pilot jet of RX 135 5-speed and 4-speed are same in structure, but they have different sizes. The pilot jet of RX 135 5-speed is of 15 number, whereas the pilot jet of RX 135 4-speed is of 17.5 number, which means the pilot jet of 4-speed is of larger diameter. I mean, the rate of flow of fuel will be more in the 4-speed, whereas the rate of flow of fuel will be lesser in the 5-speed jet. 5-speed jet is of 15 number, whereas 4-speed jet is of 17.5 number. So this were related to the jets, pilot and slide and needle. Now I have observed a very fine difference that is seen in the air screw. As you can see, this is the air screw. So this air screw is different in 5-speed as compared to the 4-speed. So even though their head looks same, but there is a difference in the thread. If you look at over here, this one is having less number of threads, whereas the one which is adjacent to it is having larger number of threads. So the differences in air screw can happen only when the slot of this place where the air screw goes in has different diameter and is having different depth. So that is why it has been made slightly different from the air screw of the RX 135 4-speed. So I hope this is clear, the differences between the 4 and the 5-speed carburetor of RX 135. If you find the video helpful, do give it a like and share it with your friends so that they too get to know about the differences between the 4 and the 5-speed carburetor. Thank you. See you in the next vlog. Take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, then do press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get regular updates.